for correct answer?
20 marks.
20 marks. For incorrect answer, how many marks will be deducted?
12.
Two.
12. 12.
Complete question.
12. Minus 12.
2. It is minus 12.
Minus 12.
So for positive, what was the value? 5
20.
into 4, 20
420.
minus 12. What is the
12.
answer?
8.
8. His score is 8. Okay, understood how to do this question? Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score?
25 correct answers.
15.
25 correct
15.
answers and
25 score for correct answer and
10 incorrect answers.
10 incorrect.
Minus
Minus 10.
minus
So what is the final score? 5 5s are 25 minus 10.
10.
So what is the 25 minus 10? How much is the answer?
15. 15.
15 plus 15. Okay.
15.
Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. So only 7 questions she attempts, rest questions she did not attempt. Okay. So what is her score? So how
10
much?
correct answers.
Yeah, 10 marks for correct answer. How many marks for incorrect answer?
Minus 10.
Minus
10.
So what is her score? 10 minus 10?
0. 0.
0 will be.
0, ma'am.
Fail.
Is it clear, Amina? Are you getting it? Amina? Yeah, Amina? Did you understand? Last one you didn't understand? Okay. Hafia, are you there? Hafia,
Yes.
you joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you understand this question?
No. I joined right now.
Okay, I'm explaining this question once again. This is a question in a class test containing 10 questions. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are for incorrect answer. So you are getting negative marks for wrong answer, okay? And 0 for not attempted. So Hina gets 2 correct. So 2 correct means how many marks you will get? 5 into 2 for correct
10.
answer.
20.
So 10 marks. 5 into 2, na Munir? 5 into 10 marks. Then 5 incorrect answer. How many marks getting minus 2 for incorrect answer? So 5 into minus 2 is how much? Minus 10. So what is her total score? Total score will be addition of all the marks. So total marks is plus 10 minus 10. So the answer plus 10 minus 10 is what? 0?
0.
So that is why Hina gets 0 marks. Okay, a cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold. Okay, do this one on your own. Okay, white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of a gray cement sold. Okay, for loss you have to put a negative sign and for profit you have to put a positive sign. This thing is clear. For loss is negative and profit is positive. So company sells 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of gray cement a month. What is its profit or loss? What will be the profit? What will be there? Profit or loss? That means you have to find. How will you find?
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, you will divide, ma'am.
Yeah.
You will divide. Per bag, only one bag ka rupees 8 profit hai. So 3,000 bags ka
Into 8. 3,000 into 8.
Into 8. Na? So you will multiply. So that is total profit of for one amount for one thing is given and you have to find for 10 things. So it will be greater only. Okay. So here rupees 8 per bag means for one bag company earns a profit of rupees 8. Okay. Just okay. Okay, is it clear? So what is the total profit? 3,000 into 8 for white cement and 5,000 bags of loss. So what will be the loss? 5,000 into?
1,000 into 5.
Okay, how much is it? Which
Ma'am,
one?
minus 5, no?
Yes,
25,000.
it will be minus because loss is there. So 5,000 into minus 5 is
25,000.
how much?
25,000.
Minus 25,000. And 8 threes are
24.
24.
24,000.
It is 24,000. So profit is 24,000. Loss is how much? 25,000. So
25,000.
loss is more or profit is more?
Loss.
Loss. So you are getting, so if you subtract minus 25,000 plus 24,000, you are getting minus 1,000. So answer you are getting in negative. That means you have a loss of 1,000 rupees. So answer is what is its profit or loss? So its loss is 1,000 rupees.
Ma'am, we need to write this down.
No need to write. If you understand, you need to write. Oh, right. Okay. Is it clear? Now, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of gray bags sold is 6,400 bags? Now, number of gray bag is given. Number of white cement bags you don't know. Okay. They are telling no profit, no loss. That means profit is equal to loss. Okay. Whatever profit you are gaining is gone in loss. So that means no profit, no loss. So when no profit, no loss is there, and let us suppose that X number of white cement bag is there. So what is the value? X into 8 is equal to 5 into 6400. You'll get the value of number of bag of white cement using this this equation. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, what technique you have to use? No profit, no loss. So no loss, no profit. When will now you have to find out total profit and total loss. So total profit is how much? 8 into X, because we don't know the number of white cement bags in second part. And loss is minus, means 5 into 6400. 6400 is given in the question. So you get the answer 5 into 6400 upon 8. So 5,000 bags means no. When a white cement bag is 5,000 in number, then you have no profit, no loss. Okay. Okay, who will tell me this? Minus 3 into dash. Farhana, what will be the answer? Minus 3 into dash is equal to 27.
Minus 3 into minus 9.
Minus 9, ma'am.
Yes. Amina, this one. 5 into dash is equal to 30 minus 35.
5 into minus 7.
Yes, 5 into minus 7. C, Munib, dash into minus 8. Is equal to 56.
7.
Yes, 7. Yes, Safia, D part.
Dash into 12. Dash into minus 12 equals 132.
Yes.
This. What do you say?
You can divide it and find out.
112 into
Yes.
minus 12 equals to 132.
No, 12 12s are 144 is there.
Ma'am,
See, 12
11.
you
11.
can divide.
11.
11.
Minus 11 into
Correct.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 11 into
Equals to
Yeah,
minus.
minus 11. Answer is plus 132. So it will be minus 11 because since you are not getting what to multiply, divide it here. 132 divided by minus 12 you do, you'll get the answer. Minus 11. Okay.
Yeah.
So this way you can do. Okay, next question.
divided by
Everyone has joined. Yeah.
no, divided by 1.
So what is this?
369
369
divided by
what is 369? Ahmad, 369 divided by dash is equal to 369.
1.
1.
Yes, 1. Humera, minus 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 1. So what will I divide here? Yeah, Humera.
Minus 75 and minus 1.
Divided by only 75. Okay.
Yeah.
Muazzam and Mudabbir, what happened today? Your video is off. Yeah, minus 206 divided by dash.
Ma'am.
Muazzam,
Plus 206.
let Muazzam answer. What will be the answer, Muazzam? Minus 206 divided by dash is equal to 1.
Minus 206.
Yes, minus 206. Okay, Farhana, minus 87 divided by dash is equal to 87.
Minus 1.
Yes, minus 1. Sakleen, dash divided by 1 is equal to minus 87.
Minus 87.
Yes, minus 87. Abdullah, dash divided by 48 is equal to minus 1.
Divided by 48, right?
Yes.
Minus 1.
Minus?
Minus 48.
Yes, minus 48. Okay, Mudabbir, 20 divided by dash is equal to minus 2.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. H part, dash divided by 4 is equal to minus 3.
Well,
Answer, yeah. It is minus 12 because answer is minus 3. Okay. See, how do you do these questions? Can you explain how you are doing these questions? Which way you do? Who will explain? Abdullah, how do you do these questions? Dash divided by 4 equal to minus 3. Which technique?
I'm brain method.
No, my multi.
Yeah. Who will explain me? How do you do? Whatever you
Division.
do, just explain me.
Long division method.
Here we are not dividing. Yes, explain. How do you do?
It's positive 4. So when we will take this positive 4 beside minus 3 now, so it will become minus 4.
See what we do. See here, small numbers are there. It is easier to solve. Like in this question, Safia got stuck. What should I do? So what we do in these type of questions, divided by and when answer is given, you know that whatever is divided over here, when it goes on the other side of equal to sign, the opposite thing takes place. Like this is 369 divided by something, suppose x is equal to 369. Okay, so I want to find out the value of x. X will go here, 369 will come here. So 369 by 369 is equal to 1. So my answer is 1. These are simple things. These you can do orally also. But here, suppose if big numbers are there, one wala case mein to you can do it orally. But here, suppose larger numbers are there, what you do? X divided by 4 equal to minus 3. So what will be the answer? X ki value would be equal to divided by 4 will go here and get multiplied. And you get minus 12. So that means yahan pe aana chahiye minus 12. Is it clear? How do we do?
Yes.
Do you understand what I am telling you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Amina.
Can we multiply those two numbers and then also we can get an answer?
Yes, you can multiply. That's what I am telling you. See, yahan pe you don't know. Suppose I am not getting, yahan pe chota number hai, you found out it is minus 12. But suppose if a bigger number is there, 24 is there, yahan pe 24 hai, divided by, suppose, and equal to, you are getting, suppose 3 is there, minus 3 is there. And yahan pe dash hai. So you don't know
8.
how, no, it is not 8. You don't know how to find out. So what I will do, this number divided by 24. So that means if suppose I take it, I'm doing it rough work. Okay. X divide, this is actually this number, X divided by 24 is equal to minus 3. So what is the value of X? X is equal to minus 3 into 24. Is it clear? So what is it? 4 is the 12. Carry 1, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 72. So यहाँ पे answer हो जाएगा minus 72. Is it clear how to do?
Yes.
If you don't understand, take it as x and solve the question. यहाँ पे था 5 into x is equal to minus 35. So x
5 to 7.
minus 35 by 5 divided by 5. You know this equation ka law, you know that, na?
Yeah.
Whatever sign is this side, if it goes that side, it is the reverse sign. Is it clear? So it becomes, if it is here, if this side it is positive, that side it becomes negative. If this side it is division, that side it is multiplied. Is it clear?
Yes.
If it is not clear, you can ask me. I can explain it once again. So this part is clear.
Okay, everybody, thank you so much. I have to mute
Okay,
you.
so similar questions are there. I'm just leaving it. We are going
And I have
to
to
do
mute
the
everybody.
next one. The
Okay.
marks
I will go
question,
one by one.
mostly
Since you
marks
started
questions
here,
are there in integers. Positive number of correct answer, this much positive marks. Number of wrong answer, negative marks, and then total it and find out the total score. So these are the questions.
observe. I have your presentation.
Okay, now starting doing this thing. Factors. Now you know what is, Safia, just mute yourself.
Okay,
So how do we find the factors? I told you how do we find the factors. Suppose you need to find out a factor of 48. You will start from 1 and 48. These are the two factors. First two factors that we write. Then we go to 2
2
and
and 24.
2 and 24. So factor pairs, right? 3 and 16, 4 and 12, and 6
6 and 8.
So this way we find out all the factors. Okay. Okay. So suppose the question is asked, which of the following number has both 3 and 4 as factors? Okay, Munib, tell me. Out of 16, 6, 24 and 21, answer is correct. So, which number has got 3 and 4 both as factors?
So, Sayyid, what was the name that we planned in your breakout room? What names did you give?
Yes,
Ma'am, 24.
24,
yes, 24. Okay, which of the following number is factor of 12 but not a factor of 16? Ahmad? Which of the following
I'm
is
3,
factor
3.
of 12 but not a factor of
3.
16?
3, 3.
3, 3.
3.
3.
3 because 2, 4 and 8 all are factors of. Ahmad, can you switch on your camera for a moment? Humaira, you too. Yeah. Did you understand the question which I asked? Which of the following number is a factor of 12 but not a factor of 16? Yeah, Ahmad. What is the answer?
3.
Yes, 3. Okay. Give me the answer for the next
48.
question. Which of the following number
48.
has 6 and 8 as factor?
48. 48.
Think about it.
4, 6 and 8.
Humaira?
Yes, ma'am. 48.
Yes,
48.
48 is the correct answer because 6 and 8 both comes in this 48. Okay. Have you not understood, Ahmad, what is factor?
I understand. I just forgot what 6 times 8.
What happened?
No, I understand.
You understood, but you are not able to answer. What is the problem? Which of the following number is a factor of 24 but not a factor of 36? Farhana?
Ma'am,
Factor of 24 but not a factor of 36.
8.
8, ma'am.
8.
8.
Good, thank you so much.
Yes. Okay. Which of the following number has both 2 and 3 as factors?
12.
12.
12.
What is a method to find out? You multiply these two and see
Yes.
that number is a factor of which number. Okay, like 3 2s are 6. 6 is a factor of 12. So that means 2 and 3 both are factors of 12. Okay, is it clear? Which of the following number is a factor of 15 but not a factor of 12?
5.
5.
5.
5.
Which of the following number has both 3 and 6 as factors?
36. 36.
36.
36, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
36.
We all know.
Okay, which of the following number is a factor of 4 but not a factor of 6?
So let us do this.
4.
Plan it out.
4.
Yeah, ma'am, 4 only.
4.
Yes, 4.
Sanjay, I will take my place.
Okay, so I'll be moving to the next part, factorization. You know this method, factory method and prime factorization of any number using
All right.
the
That must
repeat.
be. I'll let you find out who
Do you want me to repeat, revise, or you want to do the questions directly?
Questions, sir.
Question.
Questions directly.
Safia, please mute.
That person. Okay. Should I?
Okay. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in the form of its prime factors. So what is the smallest 5-digit number? Find it out. Write down in your notebook and find out the answer. Mera, are you there? Anybody has got?
Prime factorization method or
Yes, you have to do prime factorization because they have asked prime factors. So only prime factorization you have to do. So what is the smallest 5-digit number?
1000.
Yeah, one pay how many zeros?
There are 4 zeros.
Yes, so that is 10,000. Yes, Abdullah, did you get the answer? Muazzam, Mudabbir?
Are you asking me, ma'am?
Yes.
I was not there. I just went to take a pen.
Okay, whenever you leave the class, na, you just inform me so that I get to know that you are not there. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah, Muazzam, Mudabbir, you are there or not? Not getting answers, Afia? Do it. Many twos are there. How many twos are there? Just find out. Yes, Afia, what happened? Not feeling like doing? Munib, what happened? I'll wait. Let me see how much time you're taking to find out prime factorization.
And other prime factors 5 and 2.
You have to write in that form. You know how to write 2 into 2 into 2. Like that you write the prime factors. So 10,000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2s you are getting?
That is the first number is 5.
Okay, 5 is also there. 5 is also the factor. You can start from 5 also.
You don't write.
Shruti ma'am,
Yes,
I saw
Nafia.
girls
is
standing
10,000
eating
the
ice cream.
smallest
I don't write a capital.
5-digit
Girls
number?
eating
Yes.
Zainab. I
Then
saw
it's correct.
Zainab eating ice cream.
Then solve it. Find out the prime factors, prime factorization.
Of 10,000?
Yes, that is the question. See, write the smallest 5 and express it in the form
Oh,
of its
I'm
prime
so
factor.
sorry. Okay, wait.
2
Anyone?
into
Hey, Zainab, I can't see her.
5,000, 1, 2, 3. Then again,
I promise, remember, I promise we all are going to eat ice cream. Boy, I think.
Safia,
And Jazia ma'am is all.
Safia,
yes ma'am?
Okay, can I see ice?
we are attending Curie's class also.
Ma'am,
Yeah, anybody has completed?
ma'am, I completed.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I also completed, ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
also.
Give me the
ma'am,
answer.
2 raised to 4 and 5 raised to 4.
Okay, that means 4 2s and 4 5s, right?
Yes.
Let me check the answer. 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. Yes. This is the answer. See how to do the prime
I
factor.
got the same answer, ma'am.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Saklin, did you get the answer?
But instead of 4 5,
Yeah.
I got 2 5.
No,
And then I multiplied it by 25. Then I had 25.
no. Use 5 only. What is mentioned? Prime factors. See, always remember whenever it is asked prime factors or prime factorization, don't use composite number. 25 is a composite number. Okay, so do this way only, all in terms of 2s and 5. This way you can write it in the form of, as Mozam told, in the form of exponent. Also you can write 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4. This way also you can write the answer, but it should be prime factors. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so next question. Factorize 540. 540, same way you have to factorize. Now, Safia, you have to answer. You have to give me the answer. 540, factorize it. Write down and factorize in your notebook, Safia, 540, and do it like this. Start from 5 or 2, any number you can start. Okay?
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
What is your answer?
2 square 3 cube into 5.
Okay, 2 square into 3 cube into 5. 2 square is 4, 3 3 is 9, 3 is 20, into 5. 5 4 is 20. Yes, correct answer. Correct answer, Abdullah. Rest, everyone.
I got 5 into 2 into 3 square.
5 into 2 into 3 square. 3 3 is 9. 3 cube you will get, and 3 raised to 4 you will get, na? What did you get, Abdullah? 2 2s are 4. See, 2
Yes,
2s
ma'am.
are 4. 2
2
7
square into 3 cube into 5.
into 5, na? Yes. 1 5 is missing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I also got that.
This is the answer, huh? 3 5s are 15. Just check the answer over here. Farhana, check
Ma'am, I did it differently.
but still you should get the same answer. Which method you tried?
Ma'am,
I did 540, I did with 5.
Okay, that's still you will get the same answer. Suppose you get 540, I'll do it here, see what mistake you have done. If you start with 5, what did you get over here? 5 ones are 5, 0.
Ma'am, we can use any method, right?
Yes, any method, but mostly use this method. This method or factor tree method. Only 2 methods are there.
Okay.
For prime factorization. Okay. Now this way, see, Farhana, did you find your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
This was a mistake. Division mistake, na? Be careful in dividing, because 4 is there, na? So 4 you cannot divide. So you have to put a 0 and then bring 40. So 5 8s are 40. Okay, now you will go.
Ma'am, I got 2 square into 3 cube into 5.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Everyone has got this answer? Safia, did you get this answer? Amina?
I'm still doing it.
Yeah. So do this question. I have done it. This one is incomplete. Any way you can do. So you can start with 5 also. You can start with 2 also.
I started with 2.
Same. I already finished it.
So let me go next now.
I did with the first one.
We're going to do a little more fun now about
4096. Prime factorization of 4096. So it is a longer one. Just be careful. Start
Ma'am, we
with
can
2.
divide it by 2, no?
Yeah, because 6 is there. So start with 2. Ahmad? Ahmad, unmute yourself. Three you are getting, Ahmad. For which question you are getting 3?
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the 4096, the 0 will come as it is now.
If you're dividing by 2, 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay,
And then 9 will come, then 2 4s are 8, and then 2 8s are 16. Yes, what is the answer,
2
Abdullah?
raised to 12.
2 raised to 12. Okay. Let others also find out the answer. How many 2s you are getting? Safia, you need to do it. Umera, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am. 2 raised to 12.
Yeah. Ahmad? Are you not there, Ahmad? Yes. Yes, Safia.
I got 2 raised to 12, ma'am.
Yes, 2 raised to 12 is the correct answer.
We can take like this. Let me take
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 raised to 12 is the answer. All 2s only.
Not really. What about Iceland, Umar?
again 2 1 0 2 4
Where is Umar?
2 10.
Umar, can you circle Iceland, please, for me? I in Iceland.
Safia,
Yes, ma'am.
please mute.
Good, good. So Umar gave me good word. Mustira is one.
Everyone got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 3136. If any doubt is there, please ask how to solve the question. Okay, 3136. Which number you will start with? 2?
Ma'am, 2.
Amina, any problem is there in solving?
Falling down.
No, ma'am, but ma'am, how do we count to know two words of will be that number?
Somebody is still annotating and not listening to
Ma'am.
the green one. I have to.
Yes, Safia, just mute. I didn't hear what Amina asked. Then I'm coming to you. Yeah, yes, Amina, what did you ask? Yeah, Amina.
How do we come to know how to means how in like what time does that number go? Like if it's a 4-digit number.
Like which number you need to divide first? That number you're asking.
No, ma'am, I know that you have to divide 2 because the last number
is 6. Yes. Till where you have to divide? 1 till you reach 1.
No, ma'am, I'm asking that how do you know what time is like how many times is that number equal?
By dividing it. 3136 is there. So what you do, you know that
got the answer.
By 2, right? So you will
got the answer.
You got the answer coming to you. 3136. We do it directly over here. So what is it? 2 1s are 2. Okay. 1 will come here. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So 11. 2 5s are 10. Again remainder is 1. And then 3 will come. So 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. And then again 1 comes over here. Okay. And
for 2, right? What if there was another number like 3 or 5? Then
same way you have to divide. Like here, so what do we write? We write it. See, what we do usually because of practice, we don't do this rough work. We just do it here only directly. So I did here 2. My answer is 1568. So 1 5 6 8. Then again last number is 2. Is it clear, Amina? So what we do again 2. Now 2 when you divide it, what will be the quotient? 2 7s are 14. 1 remainder 1 and 6. Yahan pe likh lo 1 remainder. 1 and 6 is how much? 16. So 2 8s are 16. remainder is 0. Only 8 will come down. So 2 4s are 8. So this way we do directly. For bigger number, if you are not able to do directly, you can do in the rough work. This side you can do every time you have to divide this way. And write the quotient over here. Is it clear, Amina? Then next again I will divide by 2. Again you will get the answer till I get 1.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Yeah, Safia, what was your question?
So 3 letters.
Ma'am,
implies and
instead of
there you
like
go. Can
taking
all-
one number, can we take two numbers like 31?
No, Shazia ma'am will tell me who
31.
Like you take 3 1 3 6, na? You take this 3 and 1 together. Can we do that?
Together you cannot take when you're dividing by 2. You have to divide by 1 only. If this number, suppose my number is 11, 1 1 2, at least I can take 2 digits because then first number 1 is smaller than 2. So I cannot take only 1. So I need to take 11, first 2 digits, and then I will divide 2 5s are 10. Is it clear? This is the rule of division. If the first digit is smaller than the divisor, you need to take the second.
Both of them. Mr. Rizwani, unmute yourself now.
So we can't take
And
2
go ahead
and
take-
31.
In this case, you cannot take 31. In this case, you will take 3 because 3 is greater than 2.
Come on, girl. Go ahead.
Your remainder cannot be greater than the divisor. That is also a rule of division.
Mr. Rizwani, read the line for me, please.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, I also
Ma'am, I'll
got
give
the
you answer,
answer.
ma'am.
Now give me the answer.
2 raised
2
to
2
raised
raised
to
to
7
6.
square.
2 raised to 6 into 79.
Abdullah, you give me the answer first.
Ali, okay, Ali, read. Go ahead.
Yeah, Abdullah.
Ma'am, I'll tell.
Yeah.
Speaking.
2 raised to
Ali,
6
wait.
into 7
Ali, wait.
square.
Ma'am said we'll give
No,
chance.
I got 2 raised to 7.
5, 6. 2 raised to 6 and 7 square into 7 square. This is your answer?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So this
Yes.
is the correct answer. 2 raised to 6. Munib, check your answer.
Any? Okay.
My division was right, but I just by
All right.
mistake
Ali,
wrote
can you read the
an
sentence?
extra 2.
You copied it wrongly. Don't
Ali, can you please read?
No, I'm not copying her.
Brilliant. Very nice
No, no.
effort. Fantastic.
Copying from the rough
Can Ali
work.
read the sentence again?
Ma'am, no, 9408.
Okay.
Yes, 948 is the last one.
I didn't have any key. Now tell me, Musfira, should I make this W capital or not? Because the first word of a sentence, shall I make it capital? Musfira Rizwani?
Safia, please.
Good. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Should I make...
Sakleen, where are you? Okay. We got the answer 3136, Sakleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti ma'am,
Yes,
there should be 2 sevens,
Very good,
after
then.
40 and 7, and then again one more 7
All
should
right.
come, na?
Last,
7 sevens are 49. Yeah.
go to,
So 7 and one more 7 down.
Yes. So 2 sevens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to 6 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 6 times you have to write. Okay. So you can write in the form of exponent also, and you can write in this way also, expanded form also.
Ma'am, is
Ma'am, I got
1
the answer.
Ma'am, is
I got
1131 prime number?
Yeah. Yes, Muni, what you are telling?
1131 is a prime number.
1131. No. Divisible by 3. 6 is the total.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
2
Yes.
raised to
Satya, you
6.
have?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
2 raised to 6 into 3 into 7 square.
Okay, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 square into 3. Yes. Yes, Abdullah, what did you get?
Same answer, ma'am.
Yeah. Anybody else has got the answer?
Ma'am, I also got same answer.
Farhana got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone? Moazzam, Mudabbir?
I'm still doing.
Okay. Can we move to the next question, Amina?
Ma'am,
Safia completed this. Okay, so prime factorization is clear, everyone?
Yes.
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 So we'll do LCM. Now LCM by the same method, by prime factorization method only, the block one, okay? 48, 72, 108. Do you remember how to find out the LCM?
Yes.
Do it. 48, 72 and 108. What will be the LCM and what will be the HCF by the same method? Long division we have already done enough revision, so today I won't be revising it. Long division, just LCM and HCF by repeated division or the block method. Either 2 or 3 you can begin with.
And this also will use repeated division method, right?
Yes, same method like we did in prime factorization, but don't do it separately, do it together. 48, 72, 108 together.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
yes, tell me. What is the
Ma'am,
question?
there was a rule that in HCF or LCM that if all the numbers if all the numbers are not divisible by one number, then we will have to stop the factorization.
That is HCF. That is HCF. When all the numbers are not divisible.
Shruti ma'am.
Yes, Safia.
This 4 is in the last one. This is wrong, ma'am, because 2 2s are 4.
This one, na? 2 2s are 4, 2
No,
1s.
no, ma'am. Below 3 there is a 2, na? In there. Below that, beside that there's 4, na, ma'am. So 2 2s are 4. It's written 4 over there.
Yes, ma'am. 3 4s are
3 4s are 12, na?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
After that.
ma'am.
After that.
that, there's one more. You see the 2? Last one, there's a 2. Ahead, little up. Before the last line, there's a 4, na, ma'am.
This one?
Yeah,
So
this
2
one.
2s are 4 only,
Because
na?
2 2s are 4. And it's written 4 over there.
This is for this, na?
And ma'am, below.
Nobody has got the answer.
Ma'am,
Because
she
there
is
should be
saying
2,
that
2
3
and
4s
3.
are 4. How did you
And
write?
2 and 3.
See, you have forgotten how to do HCF. How to
Hey,
do it.
ma'am, look.
I got the answer, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, 432.
Yes, 432 is the answer. Let me do it again, Safia. I think you have not understood. I'll just explain it. See, you have to find it. And Munib, you also pay attention how we do LCM.
Ma'am, I got what she is saying.
You got 432.
Ma'am, see, ma'am, she was saying that, ma'am, you didn't do that 3 4s are 4. Now you didn't divide 4 with.
In LCM, 2 numbers are also divisible, we take. And if it is not divisible, so I'll start with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, then 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, and 2 4s are 8. This
Yes.
thing is correct, Safia?
Yes.
Just keep on checking it.
Yes.
Okay, then
Ma'am,
I'll
what
come
is
here.
the answer?
432. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then
Yeah.
2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, then 2 2s are
Ma'am,
4.
you're writing 18 there.
Where? 2 8s are 16, na? This one I'm doing.
Ah. Yeah.
Okay. So then I'm dividing it. Then again I'll divide by 2. 2 6
Yeah.
are 12 and 2 9s are 18. Now 27 is not divisible by 2. So I'll write 27 as it is. Okay. Understood, Safia? So I'll write 27
Yeah.
as it is. Now
No, but
9
ma'am, we
and
can take,
27. So
ma'am,
I'll take 3.
we can take 3 over there now.
You can take 2 also.
Ah, ma'am, here there were 4.
3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. Again,
The answer is 432.
yes, 432. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Because 2 is not going over here, so I'll write 2 as it is.
Ma'am,
No, it
over here there was a 4, ma'am.
They did differently, na? They did 3 first and then 2 afterwards. So that is why.
Ma'am, because 4 is there. If you write 4 down, okay? Fine.
Same number of 3s and same number of 2s you will get. Any way you do. How many 2s and how many 3s you got, Abdullah? 1, 2, 3, 4 2s and 3 3s.
Ma'am, look. First you divide 48, 72 and 108, okay? Then you get 24, 36 and 54.
Okay.
After that, I took 12, 18 and 27. After that, I divided it by 3, 4, 6 and 9. Then I took 2. So
Just
ma'am,
a
2
minute.
2s are 4 now, but
12, 18 and 27 you divided by which number?
3.
Okay, 3 you divided. Okay, fine. Let me do it what you're telling. Let us see. Okay. So yahan pe you did 3, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Let me
You did 3 here. After
Okay.
that,
if I write 3 over here,
Yeah.
what is 3 4s are
4.
12, 3 6 are 18
Yes.
and 3 9s are 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now after that, I divided them again by 3.
Again by 3. Okay. So 4 doesn't go by 3. So I'll write 4 as it is. Is it clear? And 3
Acha.
2s are 6. In LCM we can do. In HCF you cannot take here till here only HCF will be there. Okay. All 3 should be divisible in HCF.
So ma'am, after that it was written 2 over here.
Then you will take 2 now. Again I'm taking 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. And 3 is not divisible by 2. So I'll write 3 as it is. Is it clear, Safia? So this rule is true in LCM. You can take any 2 is divisible. You can take that number. Now you will take 2 1s and 3. And last one is 3. So same answer you are getting. Any way you proceed, you get the same answer. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 3s are there. Is it clear, everyone? LCM and HCF. HCF will be till here only. 4, 6 and 9. So 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12.
the
Only
new
12
book for
will be the
maths.
HCF.
Finish.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So just practice LCM and HCF. All the methods. That will be all. Okay. Any doubt is there in maths? LCM, HCF?
No.
No? Just practice. You'll be able to solve all the problems. Okay. You bye. And all the best for tomorrow's assessment. Okay. Be ready at 11 a.m.
Yes.